what's up guys, welcome back. So I'm back on this OBS, finally gonna get to paint these doors. Been dying to see what the whole truck is gonna look like complete. Been working on other projects, so if you guys want to see some of that stuff, comment below and I'll start recording some of those other projects. It's just small stuff, painting a bumper here and there, and then doing some remodeling around the house. But anyways, so yeah, so on this video, my plan is to get obviously the doors painted, paint the fenders and the hood, and then put it all together. Mine is the cab, the bed and the tailgate. So I'm gonna try to get the whole cab complete, put the headliner back on and the windows and etc. But anyways, you guys stay tuned and watch me paint this stuff. Talk to you guys in a little bit. What's up guys? So I got these doors painted. Check it out. Look at that finish. Man, it came out good. So yeah, I got a little bit of trash on them. It's just no big deal. I put 3 coats of clear on here, so I'll be able to sand some of this stuff off. But I'm not gonna sand them yet. I'm gonna wait till everything's installed just in case I scratch something. I have enough to play with. But yeah, the plan right now is to install these doors. Right now, basically what I'm doing is installing these little bushings and looking for all the other parts, because I have boxes of parts. So I'm gonna put the new pins and then install the doors and then go from there. I'm waiting for the guy to come over here. He's gonna come install the windshield in a little bit, the back window, and then the side windows are gonna get installed right now. But yeah guys, you guys stay tuned for that. Talk to you guys in a bit. El boss man es bien malo.
No, quiero que aprenda el cabrón. Pues es mi primillo, güey.
Oh, es primo, no, si es familia, sí, entonces sí.
Pero pues.
Entonces no regaño. No
I'm talking, but I'm watching, bro.
Lo malo que es.
Multitask.
Cálmate, güey.
Hey guys, just FYI, if you ever replace these windows, buy new ones. It'll be a lot easier to install. This guy's doing miracles with this one. The reason why there's like a little plastic down there that holds this glass, it's really hard to put it back on the other doors. But it's possible, it just takes a little bit more work.
Hello?
Talk to you guys in a bit.
Me estás poniendo nervioso.
Derechita, güey.
Neta, compadre.
What's up guys? So I just finished wiping down the fenders in the hood with wax and grease remover. I'm getting them ready to paint. So right now, basically, obviously the same steps: shoot the sealer, base coat, and then the clear. So yeah, I didn't record me installing the doors just because I had a friend at night. He came over to help me out. These doors are really heavy, so I had to get my brother and one of my friends and they helped me put them on. So, but yeah, you guys will see when I install these parts. So I'm gonna make sure I put that in this video since that took forever to vlog this stuff. But yeah, so basically the plan, like I said at the beginning of the video, is to put the whole front end and pretty much the whole truck together, minus the bed. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for the painting. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. what's going on, guys? So this weather's been kicking my butt. It got cold and it's raining, and it's just like, you know what? Let me put this truck in the garage. So I didn't take footage while I was moving the stuff around, trying to get the truck in here. So as you can see, I got the doors on here. Man, they look so good. Look at that, so straight. So yeah, right now basically what I'm doing, I'm trying to make some room in here because I want to put all the panels on. But before I do that, I have to replace these pins. I didn't replace them, so I noticed that they were missing. So I had to put the pin on there, and then right now, look at that, how smooth that is. I'm gonna put the fender on this side, and I gotta do the same thing on the other door. But on this door, what I've noticed is that one of these bushings down here didn't go in all the way. So I'm gonna have to remove this door again. So I don't have any help right now. This door is really heavy. So right now I'm just gonna focus on trying to put that fender on over there, and then I'll jump on this door maybe later whenever I can get some help. So you guys stay tuned for the, I guess, putting it together. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So I painted these last pieces that I needed to complete the front end. This is the bumper filler, and these are the side, look at the lower pieces of the fenders. And then also I forgot about these little pieces. These are the fillers that go on top of the cab. So I painted those, and those pieces were complete, the front end on this. So I'm gonna try to get this done real quick. And I am gonna replace the brackets because I don't remember which one was bent. We just decided to buy all 4 of them, so everything's lined up. And then also, after I finish the front end, I'm gonna put all the interior back together. It's a mess in here. And then, yeah, I didn't record me making this. This was my second time doing the headliner, so it came out pretty good for not knowing what the heck I was doing. So yeah, I'm gonna put that back up there. And look at this, guys. Look at that dashboard. Yeah, I did a good job on that. So yeah, I completely restored this dashboard. But yeah, anyways, you guys stay tuned, and talk to you guys in a bit. So I finally got the cab complete. I got the headliner in there, the whole interior done. There's a few pieces missing that I cannot locate. I don't know if they're there or not, but we'll get it figured out. So the whole interior is done, the doors are installed, pretty much everything's on. So basically right now, all we got left is the bed and, obviously the tailgate. So I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, I got everything on there. These door panels are gonna get replaced, so I had to put them back on there how they were. They used self-tappers from the past. Look at that, it's pretty crappy. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with right now. I think I'm missing this piece. I don't know where it's at, but yeah, worst case scenario, we'll just buy a new one. But yeah, check out this dashboard, guys. It came out really good. Yeah, so pretty much everything inside is done. Yeah, I watched it yesterday, but it rained this morning, so yeah, but this is what the truck looks like. It came out really good. Yeah, but anyways, guys, yeah, so I still gotta clean the window. It has a lot of overspray. But anyways, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for the next one. I'm hoping on the next video the truck's gonna get done. So yeah, so you guys stay tuned. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.